Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, we'll be traveling to Molynes Gardens where we'll be looking at a new housing development. Alright, so now this apartment complex has different units available, different models. You can choose between a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom or a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom. So guys, let's go into this detailed tour. I'm trying to put in more details into this housing video. So we're going to do the drive up. We're going to see it, the completed model unit, and then we're going to also look at the units that are not completed as yet, just to get an idea of all the different layouts that are available. Alright, so if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright, so let's jump right into this video. So this was where we were on Washington Boulevard, but guys, we should not have taken this right turn. We should have went left. So you take a left, and then when you're on Molynes Road, Sundown Crescent will be your fourth right turn. Right as you see Calvary Gospel Assembly, that's where you turn. So going down Sundown Crescent, you also have newer apartment complexes like this one that we're about to see. All right, so there is development in the area, which is super good. And then you make the second left turn onto Kempton Avenue. Now this is the road where the apartment complex is located. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what the roads look like and also what the houses in the neighborhood look like. You do have apartment complexes and you do have single family homes here. So yeah, man, I just wish Jamaica could just work on our roads. It's so bad, man, and it actually brings down the community. But yeah, so here's an apartment complex. This apartment complex will feature pool, security, standby generator, and a water tank that we are looking at today, right? So here it is on the left coming up. So it is under construction, but the model units are finished, so we can view those today. Alright, so this is what the unit will look like when it's finished. And you know, all the exterior work is done to it. And then this is your security guard house, right? And I believe they said that they'll have nightly security. Right here is your parking. And you will have, I believe it's one parking space. So let us look at this 1,100 square foot unit. Now this unit is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with an in-unit laundry. You know, you have your tray ceilings, your recessed lights, right? And then you have this beautiful, beautiful open concept kitchen. Really, really love this kitchen. We have granite countertops, and look at this backsplash that they use. Really beautiful. It's minimal, but it works, you know. Here you have your cabinets. These are not soft closing, right? And then you have your double sink. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So in the living room area, you have your in-unit laundry, and these will come fitted with your wash tub. Alright. And then this is your living room and your dining area, which opens up to a balcony out here. So right out here, you have your balcony that you can go out to. Alright, so this bathroom will serve as your guest bathroom, right? And it will also serve, you know, the second bedroom that's there. I really liked this bathroom. Really liked the tiles, the finishes, Everything was super clean, really nice, and the lighting as well. So you have a single vanity here, right? Floating vanity, really nice finishes. You have your glass shower enclosure with your rain shower head and a little shampoo niche, and then you know your drains to the side, so the water like goes in that direction and runs out right there. And I actually like this bathroom better than the master one. So let's look at your second bedroom. So here you have your closet space for your second bedroom, and you also have area on top of the closet where you could even store additional things. So maybe if you wanted to even add bifold doors up there for more storage. Yeah, so this was a decent size room. I believe the realtor told me it was like 10 by 12, or sorry, 10 by 11. Those were the sizes of the rooms here. So not big, just decent. And then this would be your master bedroom. So yeah, this is your master bedroom, closet area, similar to the ones before, right? But this one, it just has like the ensuite bathroom, right? So here is your master bathroom. So you have this medicine cabinet here with a little shelf. Glass shower enclosure with the shampoo niche, right? So tell me guys, which one of the bathroom styles do you prefer? Do you like the tiling in this one, or do you like it in the guest one? I like the guest room ones better than the master bedroom, and I don't really like the cabinet here with these knobs, kind of a little bit dated. Like I think the knobs and the cabinetry right here just kind of throws it off. Alright, so let's now go upstairs to look at the 1200 square foot model. Now this is still under construction. So right here would be your kitchen area, and I love that this kitchen has a window right there. It's really good for ventilation. This is open up into your living and dining area, and this is my mom. So don't worry, I'm not showing persons who are at the open house. That's just my mom. This is your half bathroom and your laundry area, so your guests don't have to go in any of your bedrooms, thing like that. They'll have the half bathroom to use. Here you have a balcony in your living area, similar to like, you know, downstairs. So you have the sliding door right here, and it will take you out to this balcony. Here is your guest bedroom, and your guest bedroom will be just like a replica of your master, right, in this layout. So you'll have the closet, and then you'll have the ensuite bathroom. So this complex has 10 units currently available. This was unit 5. Alright, so this is the layout for unit 5. So you go back into the living room, and then we can step into the master suite. So in your master, you do have a balcony as well. You know, you can step out in the mornings, go drink your coffee, get your mind right, and then head out to start your day. Right? So this is the master. You have your closet again, as I said, and your ensuite bathroom. So yeah, that right here is your closet area, and then here is your ensuite bathroom. So tell me in the comments down below which one of the layouts you're liking. Here is also another layout, right? This is, I believe, unit 4 or 6. So here you open up into your kitchen, living, dining, and then this is like one of the bedrooms, right? This unit, I think, is going to feature like some drywall. So it's going to have drywall here for like your different partitions in this layout, right? So here is one of your bathrooms, and then immediately beside that you have your other bathroom. Then you have the other bedroom. And in here is where I said like the drywall would go to, like, you know, separate living area, laundry from this bedroom here. Right, so there's the pipe fittings for your laundry area, so it'll be right there like a part of your living room, similar to what we saw downstairs. So now we are on the rooftop deck. That's your area for water storage, and then this is the deck area. So up here you had like a studio, but I didn't like show in there because it seemed lived in, so I guess that would be for like the management of the area. Right, it's not available. And then here is a part of the deck still. You have your view, so you have nice views of the mountains, Kingston city, right, and the surrounding community. So again, that's your water storage area. This is your deck. Obviously, you know, they're gonna fit it up for you, make it nice, all that, friendly, family friendly, all that. So yeah, as I said, this was a studio, but it lived in, so we're not going to it. All right, and this would be your pool area at the back of the apartment complex. All right. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. Tell me in the comments down below what you thought about this housing development that's coming to Molynes Gardens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know first when I upload a new video. Also, check out any of these 2 videos that YouTube is going to recommend. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye!